Dreams have long been shrouded in mystery, with civilizations dating back to ancient times seeking to understand their significance and purpose. In the realm of psychology, the study of dreams has been an area of interest and intrigue, with pioneers such as Sigmund Freud and Carl Jung making groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of the unconscious mind. But what exactly are dreams? At their simplest definition, dreams are the experiences we have while asleep. However, there is so much more to them than meets the eye. Dreams can serve as a window into the depths of the unconscious mind, offering insights into our deepest fears, desires, and motivations. They also have a rich symbolic language, with each element of a dream representing a piece of our internal world. So why are dreams so important in psychology? Simply put, dreams play a crucial role in helping us to better understand the workings of the mind. By exploring our dreams, we can gain a greater understanding of our unconscious motivations and desires, as well as gain valuable insight into the challenges and obstacles we face in our waking lives. In short, dreams are a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Have you ever woken up from a dream feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? Or have you experienced a vivid dream that helped you process a particularly difficult emotion or experience? The role of dreams in our emotional and psychological well-being is much more significant than you might think. During the dream state, our brains are highly active, sorting through and organizing the information we've taken in during the day. This allows us to better understand and process our experiences, leading to improved emotional regulation and mental health. But the benefits of dreaming go even deeper. Studies have shown that regular, vivid dreaming can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, boost creativity and problem-solving abilities, and even improve memory recall. Dreams can serve as a form of therapy, helping us work through complex emotions and experiences in a safe and supportive environment. The study of dreams and their symbolic meaning has captivated thinkers and psychologists for centuries. From Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory to Carl Jung's theory of archetypes and symbols, there have been many different approaches to understanding the complexities of the dream world. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, believed that dreams were a manifestation of unconscious desires and conflicts. He believed that by interpreting the symbols and images in our dreams, we could gain valuable insights into our deepest fears and motivations. Carl Jung, on the other hand, believed that dreams were a reflection of universal archetypes and symbols that could be found across cultures and civilizations. He believed that these symbols had a collective meaning, and that exploring our dreams could help us better understand our place in the world. There have been many contemporary perspectives on dream interpretation, including cognitive behavioral therapy, which views dreams as a way to process emotions and experiences, and neurocognitive theories, which look at the biological and neurological processes that occur during the dream state. So why is it important to understand the different theories of dream interpretation? By exploring the different perspectives and approaches, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexity of the dream world and the powerful role it plays in shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Have you ever had a dream where you're falling, being chased, or flying? These are some of the most common dream themes, and they can be incredibly powerful indicators of what's going on in our unconscious mind. Falling dreams, for example, often symbolize a sense of loss of control or a fear of failure. Being chased dreams can represent feelings of being threatened or pursued in your waking life, while flying dreams can symbolize a sense of freedom, liberation, and the ability to overcome obstacles. The symbolic meaning of these common dream themes can provide valuable insights into our deepest fears, desires, and motivations. By exploring these themes and the emotions and experiences they represent, we can gain a deeper understanding of the unconscious forces that shape our lives. But how do we use these dream themes to gain insight into our unconscious mind? By keeping a dream journal and reflecting on the emotions, experiences, and symbols that appear in our dreams, we can start to make connections between our waking life and the mysterious world of our unconscious mind. Dreams play a significant role in psychology as they reveal aspects of the unconscious mind and have symbolic meaning. From processing emotions and experiences to revealing the deeper forces that shape our lives, our dreams have the power to unlock the secrets of our inner selves. Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory and Carl Jung's theory of archetypes and symbols are just two of the many perspectives on dream interpretation that provide valuable insights into the world of dreams. And from common dream themes like falling, being chased, and flying to the exciting world of lucid dreaming, there is no shortage of fascinating topics to explore when it comes to the psychology of dreams. So why is it important to explore your dreams? By keeping a dream journal, reflecting on the emotions and experiences that appear in your dreams, and interpreting the symbols and themes that emerge, you can gain a deeper understanding of the unconscious forces that shape your life. And by embracing the power of your dreams, you can unlock the secrets of your inner self and unlock your full potential. So put on your dream analysis hat and let's dive into the mysterious and intriguing world of the unconscious mind. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and intriguing, please like and subscribe for more content on the world of psychology and self-improvement. And don't forget to explore your own dreams and unlock the secrets of your unconscious mind.